This video is about olive oil for Indian cooking. Olive oil can certainly become a part of Indian cooking, considering its health benefits. But even when you're all set to try this new healthy cooking base, there is an important consideration to make. Which variant of olive oil should you choose? Wouldn't it be too expensive to use it every day? Can it even support all our cooking needs? And also how to store olive oil correctly and use it effectively. Let's see answers for all these questions in this video. There are 4 main types of olive oil. The first one is extra virgin olive oil. This is the highest quality extracted from freshly squeezed juice from olives using stone, wood or steel rollers. It has a very strong flavor, aroma and contains more than 0.8% acidity. No chemical solvents or industrial refining process is used while producing this variant. In fact, temperatures are kept below 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the whole process. Even after packing, it's mandatory to keep it away from the sunlight. It has a very low smoke point, so it can be used to drizzle over pasta, salad, soups, or making dips with them. Let us see the second variant, that is virgin olive oil. This is also an unrefined variety but slightly lower in quality. It contains 1.5% acidity and it is considered a superb option to extra virgin olive oil variant. Still, it's a good aroma and it is suitable for low temperature sauteing, baking, as you can try to substitute butter or any other saturated fat. Let's see the third variant, called as refined olive oil. If you see on the bottle, labeled it as light olive oil, pure olive oil or simply olive oil, then they are the refined olive oil version. Refined olive oil has least amount of virgin olive oil and thus has low quality. However, this olive oil is good for cooking at high temperature. The fourth variant of olive oil is olive pomace oil. This has the lowest grade of olive oil. It is extracted from the residue of pressed olives. Again, virgin olive oil is added to improve its quality. Although olive pomace oil is least expensive of all types of olive oil, it is best suited for cooking at high temperature. So after seeing all 4 major types of olive oil variants, it's very clear that olive oil variants such as extra virgin olive oil and virgin olive oil should be avoided in Indian preparations, which mostly require heating at high temperature or deep frying, since it has low smoke point. They can be used for cooking of continental foods, preparation, salad, dressing, etc. So refined olive oil and olive pomace oil are the oil that basically suit the Indian style of cooking and can be used for giving tadkas or making sabji. Now let us see how to store olive oil for it to get its complete benefits. Use olive oil within 3 to 6 months of purchase instead of saving the expensive olive oil for special occasions. You have to consume it sooner once you open the bottle or tin. Always check expiry date before buying, but also look at the harvest date. Store olive oil in cool places. Normal temperature works perfectly. There is no need to refrigerate olive oil if you just remember to keep it away from the heat sources like stove or oven. Note that refrigerating olive oil can turn it cloudy or cause it to solidify, but it won't affect its nutritional value. Keep olive oil away from direct sunlight. The best place to store it is in a dark place like a cupboard. Limit exposure to air to get its full benefits. Some good options for Indian style high heat cooking other than olive oil are filtered or cold pressed varieties of sesame oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil or mustard oil. Let's not forget our desi ghee, which accompanies maa ka pyar in every traditional meal. Last but not the least, consumption of any oil should be in moderation while following a balanced diet and regular exercise for good health. I hope you like this video. Do leave your thoughts in comments below. Thanks for watching.